Hello friends, welcome to Rajmudra Academy. There is one important concept in physical geography called orographic rainfall. Suppose there is one mountain. On the one side of that mountain, there will be more rainfall. On the other side of that mountain, there will be less rainfall. Now, the side of the mountain where you will be having more rainfall. Why? Because the moisture carrying winds are flowing in that area. That side of the mountain is known as windward side, and the other side where you will not be having that much moisture carrying wind blowing, that side will be known as leeward side. And since the leeward side will not be experiencing that much amount of rainfall, that side is also known as rain shadow region. For example, Western Ghats. On the western side of the Western Ghat, western slope of the Western Ghat, there will be more rainfall because that is the windward side. But the leeward side, that means let's say Marathwada region in Maharashtra, so that will be considered to be part of rain shadow region. Why? Because the moisture carrying winds are not blowing in that area, and because of that it is known as rain shadow region. Thank you.